How's it going, guys? It's Ligio 2010 here with the last video of the day. Your phone probably has a lot of notifications, or your computer, or whatever you have. But today I'm going to, well, 5 minutes later, I'm playing with my brother in the game SkYwArS, the Diamond Noob. Actually, Charmander Commander 1. Bro, you still with me? Alright, let's play this SkYwArS game. Come on, bro, join the game. Let's do it, brah! Yeah, let's do it for our country. The red, white, and the blue. What? Click here to disable winter. It's not even winter in Australia. Yeah, let's do it for our country. The red, white, and the blue. Tomorrow I'll be fighting, and I'll win this war for you. SkYwArS79 suggested that I should do a singing video / music video. So yeah, I'll probably do that next video, which might be in the tonight maybe. So thank you for suggesting that, SkYwArS79, or Chloe's World, Chloe's Gacha World, or whatever. It's just her Roblox name, SkYwArS79, but her YouTube name is Chloe Gacha World. So subscribe to her. And I'd just like to thank you guys for all the support you've been giving me. So yeah, thank you very much. Hey, Charmander Commander, bruh. Yeah, bruh.
I'm in the wrong section,
Yeah, let's do it for our country. The red, white, and the blue. There's one player left. And he has won 100 coins? Oh, God, I need to win this. Let's turn on snow. No, let's turn off snow.
Because, guess what?
It's not winter. It's summer, and it's like raining right now.
Who likes my vest?
Your vest? What vest?
You like my costume.
How do I leave a thumbs up on this game? Oh, alright, let's go. Oh, no, 4. I pressed 2 instead of W. Oh no, is somebody coming? It's priority. Oh no! I died already! No, I died. Let's spectate Charmander Commander. Why do they always make their way over to me? Now you get an exclusive look at Charmander Commander. There's a diamond next to you, bro. Well, on the computer it's easier to do. You have 4 wins. Oh yeah, probably because I've never played this on this account, on the other account that I deleted because you wanted to make this account. Hey guys, maybe for my birthday I will buy Minecraft because it's $35, so I might be able to do that. I'm mining gold. I'm mining gold. I'm mining gold. Oh. Alright. What I want you guys to do is in the comments leave 10 something out of 10 on what 2019 did to you, was to you, like how it meant to you. Well, mine was probably a 5 out of 10 because the 5 was going around Australia. That was really good. And the others are bad because my meme, which means French grandma, passed away, which sucks for my family and stuff. So yeah, it was really sad. 3 players. Jollicum, you're one of the 3 players left. Try and shoot them. Over here, over here, over here. Oh my gosh. Here, there's diamond, there's diamond. 3 players left. Don't go over there. Shoot them. Shoot her, shoot her. Shoot Amy, shoot Amy. Amy, Amy. Oh, gone. Get your sword out. Get your sword out. Bro, get your sword out. And fight her. Oh! Come on, get your sword out. No, you're gonna die. Sorry. Okay, then I guess I can't spectate him. Let's spectate Game of Volcano. I'm counting on you, Game of Volcano. Come on, Game of Volcano. One more shot, Gamer. One more shot, Volcano. One more shot, Volcano. You can jump, you know, Volcano. There's something called a jump, you know, Volcano. Oh, and also, you should go check out my big sister's channel, and she made a funny video when she was 15. Well, it cracked me up because it was my sister. The video was called Funny Treadmill Stacks by Granny Sags, which is GRANNYSAGZ, or Z, whatever you want to call it. Oh, my sister's gonna hate me now. Why did I give a shout out to her channel? She'll hate me for that. Oh no, both players will get 50 coins. I don't want to spend most of this video spectating, so that's why. Oh gosh, I don't want most of the video to be like spectating, because I can only film my video for 16 minutes. That's how the thing works. 15 minutes. If you want more videos in real life, then, well, yeah, tell me. No, bluff. No. I know. Oh my god. Omega lol. Oh no. Well, they won't be able to find me. Oh god. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Here we go. Oh. One's block, isn't it? Okay, here we go. Pickaxe. Yes, diamond. Come on, please. Yes. Yes. So I'll do this to make sure that there's nothing under me. Oh, that'll suck. So come here, look over here, go for a pickaxe. Bam, 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 bam. I don't want to stand on it, you know. Bam, 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 bam. Block. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I just want to like mine under my world, you know? Tell me if people are coming to my island. You don't know which island's mine? Oh,
Your island.
huh?
People are coming to your island.
Cool, 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 cool.
I know what happened.
No. Oh, hey. No! Oh, I did my best. And I got 65 coins. Let's see if I can buy anything in the game store. 40 Robux. The game store. Oh, yeah. I need to go in the shop, not the game store. Everything in there's for Robux.
You know we're getting
200 coins, a shield. 20 wins. Not gonna happen. Sword. 800 coins. Pickaxe. 200 coins. 80 coins. Nah, not gonna happen, bro. Bruh, not gonna happen.
I spent all my money on gold blocks.
What does this mean?
Bro, I spent all my money on gold blocks.
Oh, that's if you like. Have
Bro, I spent all my money on gold blocks.
Alright. I reckon 2 more rounds.
Yep. And then we're gonna play a different game.
Yeah. Let's... Because I think I upload way more a day than other YouTubers. By the end of this year, I reckon I'll have like 1,000 videos. And hopefully way more subs. You gotta do this. Oh, no. Don't come over to my island first, please. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a barricade. I'm gonna barricade up. Because if I win, I get 100 coins anyway. And I can just kill the tree, you know? Global warming. Global warming sucks. Grab your coat and let's global warming. Beep, 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 beep. Come on. Ow. Bam. 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 I'm sorry, bro. I'm trying to kill you.
We're gonna fight.
You will never learn the power of the dark side.
And you will never
Try
learn
to
the power of my damage list.
There are only 6 players left. Oh, I could have killed that. Killed him. Oh, yeah. Bam. Any other players I can kill? You're behind. John had to command you just jumped off.
By accident.
Okay, killed Amy. I need Amy dead.
Bye.
Bam!
Block.
Cool. Ooh, boy! Ooh, I almost jumped off. That would have been a disaster. Oh, I nearly killed Amy. There are 5 players left. I think they're mining in the thing. Whoa, that was a good shot. I shot Amy. Amy jumped off the edge. 4 players left.
If we get our 450 Robux, I can buy the most powerful sword in the game.
Which is?
You can see?
What? Ooh, kill this player. Kill Game of Volcano. I want to win this round.
These. Bro, these. Bro, these
Oh,
ones.
Amy.
Bro, this one.
Oh, cool. Let me concentrate. No! Don't press the W when you jump in 2010. 2010. Lajo, don't jump! Oh, last round. Spectate. Alright. Most people are just camping. Wait, is Game of Volcano